Let me use the knife to cut this. Okay. It has been opened now. E18 WBU. No idea what is this. So I have to open it and see. Open. Oh, another package inside this. Oh, I know what is this. This is Altair's premium eyepiece. It's bigger than what I thought. This is massive. It's 1.5 inch, 1.25 inch. Oh, look at it, the size of it. The lens is like a 2 inch. This is called Altair Premium. Let me turn on the flash so we can have a good look. Okay, Altair Lightwave, long eye relief, Flatfield, wide, 18mm. There is a premium also label for this. It's called premium. It feels really solid, massive, big, and that looks premium. It feels premium also. Look at it. I wonder how it is when you look and observe it, this one. Feels all metal, quite heavy. Let me bring the scale, digital scale and weight. Okay, this is the digital silver crest digital scale from Lido. And this is the Altair Premium. I've made it 0, and I want the unit to be changed to grams. Yeah, that's grams now. Now I put it on this. 303 grams. That's all metal. Just the grip is and the rubber eye cup. It's not metal, and the lens, of course, which is glass. Yeah, 302, and with the eye cups, everything on it. 315. Without them, 302 grams. This is an Altair Premium Lightwave eyepiece, quite large eye lens. It is the 18mm eyepiece. It comes in a blue, simple, plain box. Nothing more than that. Just this between E eyepiece, probably 18 wide, BU, bright wave unit or something. I'm going to put it in the Skywatcher StarTravel 120mm 5-inch telescope. Is achromatic, but not Apo, so we'll see how it does. It's nicely sets in the telescope. Beautiful, smooth, quite chunky and heavy. Nice gloss. Big lens. And now I'm going to bring the fruits of this tree and leaves to focus and see how it looks. It's of course now winter. It's quite warm day, 10 degrees, 11 degrees now. So I have to turn off the flash. Yeah, lovely day. Let's focus. I see some purple fringing. This is probably from the telescope. I have a Starguider ED 18mm eyepiece here, which I can compare with this Altair 18mm. And now I'm going to look at that fruit with the same eyepiece. I feel this one is more comfortable to view, but the details in that Lightwave was better, Altair. This is more wide field, it seems, than that one. It's comfortable, should I say. But the Altair got more detail clearly. And it looks that object looks slightly bigger. I'll switch back to the Altair. They're not parafocal, by the way. Okay, I'm going now back to the Altair. It's not focused, of course, because I have not changed the focus. Let me focus. And now I've focused it. It's not very good light conditions because sun is just shining behind this. Probably I should have chosen a different target. Lightwave Premium 18mm eyepiece, and I'm looking to the Skywatcher ED. Let's look through the eyepiece and see how it looks. The exit pupil is tiny. It's 18mm, 18mm eyepiece. The 18mm Starguider ED eyepiece. Using it on the Skywatcher Apochromatic ED. Let's see how it looks. I must say the image quality is better than the Altair one. Altair one, a little bit disappointed. Yeah. Ostara Flatfield 19mm eyepiece, and I'm using the Skywatcher Pro Series ATED Apochromatic telescope. So let's see how it looks. Oh, I'm pleased by the image quality. Really nice. Really good, pleasing quality. Look at it. Just to be sure, I'm giving another chance to Altair Lightwave Premium 18mm eyepiece. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, oh, actually it became acceptable now. Probably my hand was not in the center. Yeah, quite nice. Of course, it will looks bigger. The image looks bigger than the Starguider 18mm. A little bit dimmer also. We have now focus. That's really good. And this is the Skywatcher ED. Is a Apochromatic telescope, and we go down to have a look. Yeah, beautiful image, good focus. The image is not flat, so you have distortion, but at the center is good. Very good, actually. I have to test it on the dark sky and the moon or other objects. In the daylight it gives beautiful results. Okay, with these fast telescopes that I've used, both of them refractors, Skywatcher ED and Skywatcher 120 Achromatic, and that ED is Apochromatic. The best images were with this, and this. It didn't give me Altair Astro Premium, didn't give me that premium quality image. And actually I can say that the center was good, but the rest of the image had blue-purple fringing, even in this Apochromatic telescope. So I wonder if it is because it is a fast scope. Maybe in a slow scope like a Schmidt-Cassegrain, a Meade or Maksutov telescope, it will give good results. I may test it later, but at the moment I'm a little bit disappointed. It looks very beautiful. It almost looks like a Hyperion. It doesn't perform like a Hyperion. Surprise, surprise, these cheaper ones are matching with the Hyperion. Ostara and Starguider.